In their last league game, the Colonials had a back-and-forth game against rival Wissahickon Trojans. Wissahickon led 3-2 after the first inning, but that would be all the scoring the Trojans would do. Senior Immaculata commit Joe Rauscher tossed their first 7-inning complete game of the season for the Colonials. Junior Mike Miller had a pair of 2-out RBI hits to propel the Colonials to a 4-3 lead. With this win, PW clinched the number 2 seed in the District 1 playoffs. Mike the Hammer Miller shared his thoughts after his big day.
I thought we played great today. We traveled out to Wissahickon. It was hot as hell out today. It was at least like 80 degrees out. And we came out here, we played our butt off. Rauscher threw a complete game. We threw almost 100 pitches. Their pitcher almost threw 100 pitches too. It was a great pitching battle on both sides. We won by a run. I had 2 RBIs and 2 hits. I also threw a kid out running. Joe Jakonski had a big hit. Joe Redmond made a great play in the field. We just had a lot of good plays today. We had a lot of stuff going for us. Rauscher really pitched well on the mound, hitting a lot of spots, a lot of velo, everything. They had trouble catching up. His curveball was really on today. Yeah, I just thought all around we played a great game today. It was a great job by us. So we have 1 game left against Radnor tomorrow. That'll conclude our regular season. Hopefully we win that. We'll finish off 18-2, if I'm correct. And then after that, it's all just playoffs from there. And then we're just going to go to our goal, which is that district championship as of right now. And then that's the only thing that we're going for right now is that district championship.
On Wednesday, the Colonials played their final regular season game against out-of-league opponent Radnor. Sophomore Luke Gartland and junior Alex Wilkie-Vicio both had productive days at the plate. And despite the loss, the Colonials are looking ahead towards the playoffs. On Friday, May 21st, several Colonial players attended Senior Prom at Elmwood Park Zoo. The night was filled with fun and dancing, and the players got to have a nice break as the biggest week of their season approaches.
So we're here at our Senior Prom. It's pretty cool because we finally have something normal, we think, that we always look forward to as freshmen, sophomores, and juniors. And it's exciting for the day to finally come.
It's also fun just being with our team, like on the field and off the field. We're so close, and I feel like that's helped us throughout the season, and hopefully tonight's a good night.
Yes, sir.
The Colonials have a big week ahead of them, as well as the support of a few legendary baseball voices.
Hey guys, it's Tom McCarthy from the Philadelphia Phillies wishing the PW baseball team good luck in districts. No surrender, no retreat.
Hey, this is Matt Vasgersian of Sunday Night Baseball wishing the PW baseball team good luck in districts. No surrender, no retreat. Go win, you meatheads.
Hey, this is Joe Buck from Fox Sports wishing everybody on the PW baseball team and all the support staff the best luck in the upcoming districts. Remember, no surrender, no retreat. Go get them.